The 6th edition iPad mini, which was significantly updated by Apple in late 2021, is the company's smallest iPad. With a larger screen, Touch ID built into the power button, a move from Lightning to USB-C, and an improved front camera, this most recent model received a complete revamp. Since the iPad mini's 2012 debut, this was the device's first significant design update. Rumors claim that Apple is now developing a new 7th generation iPad mini, despite the mini's 10-year anniversary passing in 2022 without any improvements. Let's explore what is currently known. Considering the significant design overhaul that accompanied the release of the iPad mini 6, it's improbable that there will be any major changes in the external appearance of the tablet. However, it is possible that Apple may introduce new color options, taking inspiration from the color choices available for the 10th generation iPad or the rumored color palette for the iPhone 15. The previous iPad model offered appealing shades such as yellow, which opens up the possibility for an expanded color range with the next iPad mini. Recent leaks concerning the iPhone 15 Pro have hinted at an exquisite deep red hue, resembling the richness of wine. It's not far-fetched to imagine that this color option would complement the iPad mini 7 beautifully. The processor direction of the upcoming iPad mini update offers a couple of potential parts. According to the insights provided by the Ming-Chi Kuo report, the processor is expected to be a significant part of the update. Now, Apple has two primary options to consider. The first option would be the similar approach of incorporating the equivalent phone chip of the time into the tablet. For instance, the previous iPad mini utilized the A15 chip from the newly launched iPhone 13. If you anticipate a release date in late 2023, it could potentially feature an A17 chip which may be introduced with the iPhone 15. On the other hand, there is a possibility of seeing an M1 chip in the iPad mini, but the percentages is pretty low since the iPad mini is not suitable for heavy tasks, and it might get overheated. If it comes with the M1 chip, this will align more closely with the iPad Air, allowing for the utilization of additional features. For example, it could enable the inclusion of Stage Manager, a feature currently limited to the iPad Pro and Air models. The previous iPad mini 6 encountered a significant issue known as jelly scrolling, which greatly affected user experience. When scrolling on the device, there was a noticeable delay on the screen, resulting in a wobbling or jelly-like effect. This problem stemmed from the refresh rate of the LED display, and a plausible solution to address this issue would be the implementation of a 120Hz Pro Motion display. This particular suggestion was also mentioned in the earlier Korean forum post, and seems like a logical step forward. Not only would it rectify the jelly scrolling problem, but it would likely enhance the overall viewing experience as well. Moreover, unlike larger iPad models, the iPad mini currently does not include a smart connector. However, if Apple would introduce this feature in the next iteration of the iPad mini, it would bring the device's capabilities in line with other models. The addition of a smart connector would enable users to connect the keyboard, similar to what's possible with the iPad Pro or the 10th generation iPad. And as for the release date, renewed analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has provided the most credible information we have regarding the iPad mini 7. Kuo's report indicated that Apple is actively working on a new iPad mini, set to be released towards the end of 2023. This time frame aligns with the typical gap between iPad mini releases and suggested the launch is not too far off. Despite the absence of any mention during WWDC 2023, there remains the possibility of an upcoming iPad-focused event, potentially in October. Such an event could also feature the introduction of the rumored iMac devices. Nevertheless, it's unlikely that we will witness any iPad mini 7 announcements prior to the unveiling of the iPhone 15 in September. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.